everybody.
Yeah, I guess no one feels like playing today. Oh, I already joined the terrorists. That was me though. Harry is on top, get Harry! Ah.
I think.
Jesus.
Where? Nice!
I spawned on top, so I was able to kill you.
Double kill.
No, you died?
Oh man,
Killing spree.
Oh yeah, son of a... Ah, don't move your ass on Yate, yeah?
Double kill.
Nice!
Triple kill.
I love the quotes, Jerry, bye.
Come on, let's go.
Quotes, Jerry, bye.
Stupid camper.
Oh shit. Oh, what the hell is this? Why is aiming so hard? I don't get it. Aiming is so hard.
Hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, take out free for fucking camper, man. Dati sa puta, véi.
Stop something wrong, what the fuck?
What? Instance. Yeah, I know that.
Killing spree.
Camper kayak gak dong, véi.
Dominating. Double kill.
That's why I don't like playing games.
Triple kill.
The issue we're gonna have.
Let me go!
Double kill. Killing spree. Triple kill.
Hi, fuck you!
Dominating.
Oh, what the hell?
Kill. Double kill.
Stupid!
This nigga. Hello, someone else shot you? The fuck?
Hey, what the fuck?
Dali ako yung mutrigger, oy. Oh, what the? This game is shit, guy. I can't target, I can't seem to shoot. Why does the game always favor other people? I don't fucking get this game. It's like I can't target properly, but no matter how sensitive my mouse is, how proper I try, you never seem to get the head. It's such a small object. It's like, I don't even understand how people do that. Where they do that. It's like, they're not human. Oh, what the hell?
Ay!
Get anyone? What the hell? Oh man, what the hell? Target someone.
Ay, son of a bitch! Ay, stupid!
Headshot you, sorry, mate. Headshots you, brother. Oh. Oh shit.
Ay, stupid, Harry! What a scoop!
Very nice.
God. Ay!
Oh, what the hell?
Double kill. Killing dominating. Double kill.
Ay, stupid!
Oh, the snipers. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell?
Mega kill.
Yes, die, man.
Hindi magkaka. Ay, sige, come.
Double kill.
Ay, fucker!
Killing. Triple kill.
Ay, third place